die. I'm already dead. Yeah. What? Okay, who wants to be Jack the Skelemouse? I'm done.
Look at me.
You see it.
Fine.
Yay.
Are you done?
Jack the Skelemouse!
Oh!
Alright.
I'm Jack the Skelemouse.
And I came from the streets.
I came from the
He really did. He really did. We adopted him.
Dog attack! Boo! Would you go away? No one wants to look at your design. Doesn't this make you want to slinky? I'm gonna eat you. No. Where's the... It's Jack the Skeledog.
Hey, look at it. Where I shot him. Wait. Oh! See? Bang!
Alright, we're done.
Yeah, we should do that.
What?